My name is Sami Ajaz.
And I'm Sehr Mahmood from my Condo source.
And we're realtors in the GTA, and today we want to talk to you about the pre-construction condo process. When we talk about condos, it's one of the hottest things in the world, especially in the GTA. If an investor or end user wants to buy a pre-construction condo, how would they go about it? What's that first thing they'll do?
Well, the first thing is to connect with a plan and pre-construction agent who specializes in this field, and that's their primary focus. And they can present you with all the best opportunities that are out on the market right now.
Once that opportunity is presented, we get floor plans and price lists from the builder, and we send it off to the client. The client's likes a specific model and a specific purchase price. What's the next thing?
So the next step is filling out what's called a suite request form or a worksheet. It's your intent to buy. You fill out your personal information, submit it to your platinum pre-construction agent, and they would then get you what's called an allocation from the builder. Nowadays, the market's very hot, meaning there's a lot of demand. A lot of times there's 300 suite projects and you have over 3,000 applicants. So it's very important to get a bank draft made to show your seriousness as a purchaser so that your plan and pre-construction agent actually allocates you a suite when the time comes. Because there might be 15 people asking for the same exact model and they might only have 3 in their inventory.
Next process, they come, they sign, unit gets allocated. What happens next? There's a couple of days they're given time to think about things.
You have what's called a 10-day cooling period. This is the time when you can take your contract to your lawyer, have it reviewed.
Once that 10-day cooling off period is over, what happens to the deal, Sehr?
The deal goes firm. That's when you have to make sure that you give all your post-dated checks, you get your mortgage pre-approval, and boom, you're a condo owner. So guys, if you are interested in pre-construction opportunities, please reach out to me. 416-456-9675 or visit www.mycondosource.com. Thanks for watching.